Welcome, everyone, to Greenview Community Farm. I'm thrilled to show you around today. To help you get your bearings, let's take a look at the map you were handed at the gate. Right now, we are standing just inside the main entrance, at the bottom of your map. Before we head out to see the grounds, if anyone needs to register for a workshop or pick up a physical copy of our event schedule, you'll want to visit the reception and information office. You might expect it to be centrally located, near the water, but it's actually the very first building you see immediately on your left as you step through the main gates. Now, one of our most popular attractions is the apiary, where we house our honeybees. To find it from the main entrance, simply take the path that branches off immediately to your right. You'll see a cluster of traditional dome-shaped hives set amongst a wildflower meadow. It's right there on the right-hand side before you reach the apple trees. For those of you looking to grow your own produce, we offer several community allotments. From the entrance, head up the main path and take the first major left turn. Walk past the reception building, and right out on the far western edge of the farm, you'll discover a large area filled with raised planting beds. We initially considered placing these closer to the forest trail, but this spot gets the best morning sunlight. If you continue straight up the main path from the entrance, you'll reach our central pond. Immediately to the right of the water is a fragile, marshy ecosystem. To allow visitors to explore this area without damaging the local flora or getting their boots muddy, we've installed a wooden wetland boardwalk. It stretches right across the reeds, connecting the central pond area to the eastern path. We also run weekly sustainability classes at our composting station. To find it, walk straight past the central pond and take the path that forks to the northeast. You'll walk right past a covered picnic shelter on your left. Keep going just a bit further, and you'll find 3 large wooden sorting bins tucked into the corner, just where the path starts to curve back down towards the orchard. Finally, if you want a fantastic spot to take photographs of the entire farm, I highly recommend the viewing platform. Head straight up the main path, bypassing the pond completely. It's the small, elevated wooden deck situated right at the very northern boundary of the central area. It offers a much wider vantage point than the benches down by the water's edge.